dress so chic. And let me rip you out of that. Oh, yeah, let's make this a scene. Starring you and I, put it on the big screen. Ways come, ways come, ways come. Anybody ever had you? Can't have you like I got you now. How do I know? Cause I have control. I'm responsible for your smile. I don't smoke, but I'll take a puff. Been crushing on you since you had breasts. Down in the world. Fuck what daddy doing, let's have
Use a pencil, no crayon.
He ain't even here, he mentioned this. Now I be curving, swerving, got you lurking on all my social media. I ain't perfect, you ain't either. But I believe in this like I believe in Jesus. So you can't fuck this up, nigga, I'm a keeper. So what you wanna do?
Get out there, Moomy.
Are you gonna keep her?
Some of the position, baby, no later. Points in between your legs, I'll be giving good enough. Well, no, another nigga that'll do you like me. And you ain't gotta tell nobody that you slide with me. Tell my nigga, I'ma get her, I'ma make her a queen. We both flashy, hot flash, when we rockin' my wings. Switch the cash on the match, 35 dream. I got the cash in the bag, you gon' fit in the cheek. So we sexy, we be going like the shit for the screen. The same texting, I go hard for your mom's on screen. The niggas tested, I'm checking, I ain't ring.
You got to eat cookies at breakfast.
I ain't doing shit to be extra. Tryna show you I'm better. We be on the whole other vibe. Tell the truth, no lie. Sex on the beach.
Can I use this box?
Huh?
I don't care.
Just showing me.
Just showing me. Hey, come on.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
There you go. There you go. Okay.
What?
I couldn't find any textures.
Please come in.
Can I help? Huh?
Let me do the first wash and then we can.
I never saw those buffs before. I never saw those whole purpose.
The perfect storm. It's Twister and Chris Brown, baby. I got a new one for you. Let's make a movie, man.
Swiss got cars, big swagger. I'm a rock star like Mick Jagger. And I got bars that I spit faster. You a hot star, no bitch fatter. So let me take you on a ride on the journey with the one that you call daddy. And boy, we can get it wet. But this time we gon' do something romantic and different. I tell you about it when we get on the movie set. I was thinking the beat just make a sex tape. Cause I'm thinking face two when it's an HD. Maybe I can take me. When I pull my H2 up to your H3. You know that you wanna be in this movie. So don't be acting like I'm tripping when it's strange and bitch. You wanna be while you loving me down below. Switching the camera angle when we change position. You can be the director aiming the camera down that we feeling me. Licking until you say ready for anything that you wanna get. I gotta call nobody else because I do my own stuff. It's the X-rated version of a box office hit. I see she ready to strip for this. So let me get the music in. Get the take home. Get the camera in.
Baby, don't need no script for this. I'ma do a couple thousand, baby. Script for this. You pull my camera out and make a movie. Yeah, starring you and me. Yeah, baby, don't need no actresses. We don't break your back with this. They pull my camera out, let's make a movie. Yeah, starring you and me. Yeah.
Shorty, we gon' make a movie. Got me loving it when I'm feeling on the booty. Especially when I can bring it on the alcohol. Cause they do something to me. She look better than every chick on my perimeter. Sexy, I wish I could film every bit of her. Kissing her down to her stomach and then tell her we can be in the personal cinema. I let you hold the camera first, then I hold it then. Cause I wanna see how it's going out and going in. Let you see such a freak in me, I hope it's never legal. TLC, this is 50 more star or CNN. Baby girl, you keep the world on the axis. I'm looking back to film you for practice. And you know I think you a hell of an actress. Especially when I'm shooting you on a mattress. Shorty straight to the top, that's where we headed. And I'ma see my name in it, ready to be the shit if you let it. See something that you already feeling, we can always go back and make a edit. I'll be sipping on her on platinum. She can go back to rapping, but didn't know I be on acting. Now I'm first in the reality shit. That's what I need. Get the tape down. Get the time.
Baby, don't need no script for this. I'ma do a couple thousand, baby. Script for this. I'ma break your back with this. Pull my camera out, let's make a movie. Yeah, starring you and me. Yeah, yeah.
I don't think there's any more spectacle.
Start in the back and come to the front.
This is hard.
Ready to order.
Yes. We're earning unlimited 3% cash back on dining and entertainment with the Capital One Saver card. So let's just get one of everything.
Everything?
Fire everything. The Capital One Saver card is at table 27 and they're earning unlimited 3% cash back.
Yes, chef. This is so nice.
Had a feeling you'd want 3% cash back on dessert.
Ooh, tiramisu.
Earn unlimited 3% cash back on dining and entertainment with the Capital One Saver card. Capital One, what's in your wallet?
Terms apply. See CapitalOne.com for details.
It's time to work your magic, Kentwood. The new Ross is now open at Kentwood Town Center. You can find the brands you know and the prices you love on clothes, shoes, and home decor. Come work your magic with 20 to 60% off other retailers' prices every day. Tap for directions or visit rossstores.com to find your new store in Kentwood. Ross, work your magic.
All right. This is
I just wanna dance with you. Oh, tonight I'm gonna spend my body on
What should we do this weekend, Beth?
watch me. Tonight's going down. I'll be rocking on the plane.
Maybe the car.
Swirling on the plane. Swirling on the plane. Rocking it on my body tonight. I wanna make you dance with you. Tonight I'm gonna dance with you. Tonight I'm gonna put my body on the body. Boy, I like it when you watch me. Tonight is going down. I'll be rocking on my bed. Rocking on my bed. I'll be swirling on my bed. Swirling on your bed. I'm gonna put my body on your body. I'm just melting on my body. 'Cause the light could go down. Watch me pop it, before you drop it, before you rain. Watch me go crazy. Wanna make that fire. Sit back and watch.
Hey, why are you asking for every little thing? I do not care. Leave me alone. You don't have to ask for everything.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Moomies, it ain't no more?
There's only water bottle.
Okay.
You tell me you're falling out of love with me. Hope you can find someone to love and better than I did. Taking our memories on love and treating it like nothing. Taking our memories on love and treating like gossip. It's my love for my grandmother made me gentle when I care for you. Tell me you're falling out of love, breaking my heart in two. I just don't want to let him almost like you didn't ask, trying to make you happy. You telling me you're falling out of love for me. Hope you just met someone to love you better than I did. You telling me you're falling out of love for me. Hope you just met someone to love you better than I did. It's my love for my grandmother made me gentle when I care for you.
Hey, little fool, that's some niggas right there? Yeah, that's cool. I'm gonna cut the lights off, man. Put around the back, man. Fuck you niggas up. Look, hey, that's what I want you to be here this morning. Cut it out of here. Let's go, phone in. All right, check. Hey, come here, bitch. Gang. That street shit. Hey. Phone up. Hey. It's that gang shit. What you got? Hey. I hit the club without my eyes on. I turn the lights on, my tool on me. Who this nigga stand up, I drew you, the gang with me. This bang with me. Bitch, I shooting in the club. If the skin to the gun, you can't hang with me. Run up in your bitch house with a kilo, got some over here Mexican. Shout out my amigos. I'm not gonna nigga shoot him through the people. I just knocked a nigga out where he was fucking before. Number killers in my spot, made me call him Tito. Young nigga, but it's the one nigga's like Devo. Hey, let me in this morning, should've searched me at the door. Nigga, blood, my shooting scope, a nigga in the float. Say you love me, baby, what's the mean in this shit? I don't drink codeine, name with that lean in this shit. Got a new tube, put a red beam on that bitch. Never wipe a bitch, I never bought a ring for a bitch. You gon' baby pull up on your motherfucking block. Get the clap and I shoot your ass 187, focus type shit. Tag 9, say y'all continues in the max hit. I'm out west, where we gang bang, and kidnap shit, and shooters in your house, bitch. Since you wanna sneak dick on the internet, Twitter beat, nigga tweet this, that. I run up on your ass from behind, how you laughing? Well, is it your ass in your slam? Boy, you acting, you get out there and never drop it down. Still my man top while I was in the from behind. Street shit, now 4 we on that heat shit, hot shit. Pull up on your block, then drop shit, we pop shit. A Robert J. Sag name without all that rock shit. I do the cup, call my cooking, they be with me stupid glock, stupid watch, screaming stupid diamonds. I don't even know what time it is. I play no run my man. No time to wait, these niggas on his face, don't make me catch case. Your nigga with felonies, just stay my OG shit on section 8. No discriminate, we pull the way block, that nigga anyway. Any man I'm at, any man, for niggas don't got that many man. I fell off to the club, it's a dog, to the sick dog. Heard you wanna war with a dog, you ain't hood enough. Fuck a nigga, all the paramedics gotta pay her off. Say she wanna fall, with a dog, for my money off. I fell off to the club, it's a dog, to the sick dog. Heard you wanna war with a dog, you ain't hood enough. Fuck a nigga, all the paramedics gotta pay her off. Say she wanna fall, with a dog, for my money off. You don't wanna get caught in the street, chest full of lead and a head full of heat. Watch what all this Twitter me. We can meet, give a fuck, I'ma see you on the street. You better run, boy, we do this shit for fun. You be smart if you're going back up. I got a fuck up attitude, very rude, so that beat down, shooting up school. I let it burn, came down, I'm a fool, I'm a rapper, but don't get this shit confused. That boy don't wanna use his head, he gon' lose it. I shoot him in that bitch with his juice. Red beans there, what? Bullets flying there, what? Better run, nigga, move. I kick a nigga throw in, shoot us on the low end, call him up and they shoot. This stupid bitch tryna fool. We got enough clips in this bitch, shoot and move. Cops on my rear, you got nothing to do the trap. Kitty man, he try to testify. Get his ass trapped, nigga gets froze.
the club, it's your dogs, and it's off. On the wall with a dog, you ain't heard enough. Fuck a nigga up. Paramedics got a nigga up. Since you wanna fuck with a dog, money off. I fell off in the club, it's your dogs, and it's off. If you wanna walk with a dog, you ain't heard enough. Fuck a nigga up. Paramedics gotta pick him up. Since you wanna fuck with a dog, cause my money off.
At Sierra, discover great deals on top brand workout gear, like high-quality walking shoes, which might lead to another discovery.
40,000 steps, baby. Who's on top now, Karen?
You've taken the office step challenge a step too far. Don't worry, though. Sierra also has yoga gear. It might be a good place to find your zen. Discover top brands at unexpectedly low prices. Sierra, let's get moving.
This is a test of the Reese's broadcast system. If you're currently eating Reese's, this is just a test. Continue to take the dream. If you aren't, oh boy, drop what you're doing, go. Get Reese's now. Do not stay calm. Push people out of the way.
Hey, I'm probably on stage now, people face, I'm picking up and pressing hard niggas in them cages. Brother said I let them down, I can't even hang it. I'm on the other side of town, cooking with a hanger. You know them niggas wanna put me down, like we be dangerous. Every say she wanna ride with me on the table. Way across the world, put her in my table. What's up, book a girl down with a razor? It's water peach from a drum, I can't save you, nigga. Every day I thank God that he made me different. I just pay a little extra cause they made them different. Flashing off in the rain, start keep sliding. 12, though they play crazy, I'ma keep driving. Serving 9, turn the music up and keep vibing. I'm different type of jokes. I'm looking big. I'm putting a pussy on weight, pussy calling me. But she gon' wait for me cause I'm one of the realest. Right now I'm on a jail call, one of the killers. You know I'm handling business. Rubber band and shit. Pop wrecks and bullet work, got my hand in the skillet. You the reason why the junkies trying to battle addiction. All these pointers in the road, like I shot at a fish. Just got off the plane, listen back, it's playing with a fish. They thinking about your brain, I should say your name, top bitch. I talked with her name the other day, it ain't no how I met you. And then just go our separate ways, I ain't got nothing against you. You can't focus on the game, I mean, that's the thing. I gotta focus on the game, but I know what I'm into. I can still feel trade for me one ride. And still on my bunk laying down like he was down. You ain't here to see my first couple $100,000. Up late counting this shit, I know you looking down smile. I know you looking down wild like we winning now. Gave my little bitch 10 like hurry up, they in and out. Roll the window down, I got a 6-4. Have to leave that broke shit alone, we just get it on. Have to put the boy on the food with this bitch cold. Had to hit the road, I'm calling you in New York like Jim Jones. Take me yellow bitch and hit the beach, change your skin tone. Million on my mind, yeah, my mind got a him on it. I was in that white SRT. 10 on me, 50 girls each ARP, and like 10 on me. Let me take them back my first after skip the band on me. Niggas know it come down to that business, understand on me. Probably on the stage now, on the truth and babes. I'm picking up and pressing hard niggas in them cages. Run them said I'm let them down, I can't leave them hanging. I'm on the other side of town, cooking with a hanger. You know them niggas wanna put me down, like we be dangerous. Every guess she wanna ride with me on the table. Way across the world, put her in my table.
Almost done, guys.
Money on the floor, I'ma come get it. If a nigga want beef, we gon' come with it. Young nigga been shit, getting done, chicken, throw it back, got you in 2 weeks, I'ma come visit 6 mile niggas, but I'm plugged in your hood too, your man's out the way, but you close, so we slump you. Big booty bitch, give me head in the front room, she with the pop-ups, I ain't gotta tell her come bring this shit in my blood. Shit, I came out with thugs, ain't nobody give me shit, got it all out the mud, I ain't used no piece, got it all up in drugs, and my young dog strap, better watch how you mud. Deal coming soon, I'm just waiting on the date, niggas flying on the chain, bitch, I'm flying on the race. Feds like my nigga trying to lead me to the case, so a nigga low key, you will never see my face.
Bitch on the flow, let's get straight to it. Beef on the flow, let's get straight to it. Cold thick bitch, bring her straight to it. Niggas sneak this and bring them straight to it. Money on the flow, let's get straight to it. Beef on the flow, let's get straight to it. Cold thick bitch, bring her straight to it. Niggas sneak this and bring them straight to it. How that nigga T get off that RTM indictment? I wasn't on that case, keep your dick suckers quiet. When that smoke on the floor, we ain't sleeping on it. Bro stage on the beach, set that boy on fire. Pump out the whip, get his mans, rip them niggas flesh. Free the real, keep the rest, chop it, eat the vest. My niggas used to share clothes, I'ma state the facts. We was still pulling niggas' cars, fucking all the rest. Fast forward, now our goals, they got bigger. I've been cruising on the murders, I ain't called on the bitches. Say, great granddaddy who's a slave, I admit it, but they got so much weight, I let my white boy say nigga in the sleep. When it's that, while the pop the transmission, swing the road, nigga, face hard through the seat. That nigga will say they got the law, come and get it, but don't even look into it if that ain't focused. Nigga, money on the flow, let's get straight to it. Beef on the flow, let's get straight to it. Cold thick bitch, bring her straight to it. Niggas sneak this and bring them straight to it. Money on the flow, let's get straight to it. Beef on the flow, let's get straight to it. Cold thick bitch, bring her straight to it. Niggas sneak this and bring them straight to it.
Money on the floor, nigga, bring it straight to me. Shot the club up, but you ain't sticking around the seat. I'm over real nigga streets, like with me a G. 1,000 street sweet, 1 deep, clean streets. Yeah, niggas squealed on me, get my dog at 6 feet. 3 put 6 feet, niggas Grammy gang sweet. Never fit sweet, had it on for about a week. Hustle like a bitch, house now, but can't sleep. Y'all bad as fuck. Shit, I think I do. Every guy who denied, let me feel myself. Shit, I'm with you. If you sound that's gonna take this shit. T-corners all good, y'all be y'all real, real cop. We see eye to eye, very tough stood. Get up on the day, you made a ticket up the juke, connected with me, some rest, I'm with your plug, call plug, nigga.
Money on the flow, let's get straight to it. Beef on the flow, let's get straight to it. Cold thick bitch, bring her straight to it. Niggas sneak this and bring them straight to it. Money on the flow, let's get straight to it. Beef on the flow, let's get straight to it. Cold thick bitch, bring her straight to it. Niggas sneak this and bring them straight to it.
Oh, facts.
My nigga, y'all nigga that level.
Y'all niggas are seeing go some money, man. Call nigga Big Brother. Big sons. It's more like a day.
I'm gonna let them rats sound like my nigga.
I'm trying to get my life together. These hoes alone. Pray to God I can eat and sleep this thing and shit get more than old. Man, please don't leave it. Every day come hard get more than cold. I'm tired of piping these bitches up. I'm talking shit like provolone. I'm trying to run my business up at the same time watch with the cracks on. Bitch, I can't even pick it up. What the fuck these hoes be on? I just went my 48. He stay up in the mobile homes. Need a bad bitch with no body count for my focus on. And he tried to hit my career. Truly torn on fuck homes. So many bad bitches up in here. Which one of them will take us home? Bitch, I'm on all these niggas. The same court that the Lakers on. All one and all these niggas. Baby girl, my paper long. Please love me. Trust me. Say you got my back, but this that bitch got you to fuck me. Can I keep it real for a second, baby? When you judge me, I can't lie. I ain't really say Francisco, man, stuck me. That shit corrupt me. I'ma get back even if I get like tracking. See that nigga don't keep back in the club popping up on bubbly. Look your nigga in the eye and tell him I said he can't fuck with me. If I take him out, stick it in there, bitch stop me. The bitch playing mind games, trying to trick my mind frame. You're gonna I'm gonna call you back, I promise it's just a mind thing. And that Hellcat, he again, you hear that line, ain't it? I'm that 100 pack on top of way for outside, it. Why I ain't got no hits on you? I guess it ain't my time yet. I'm gonna stay down with this shit and smile, go blind yet. Tell you bitch I'm done with all that cheating, stop that crying. Same shit I said the last time, but I ain't done yet. Bitch, I told y'all my head getting blind yet. So you don't wanna make myself, some bitch I ain't come yet. I'm trying not to work, but you just speak on I ain't done yet. Yeah, I'm cheating on you, but you wanna bad bitch, I love it. Do you trust me? Say you got my back, but say I got you to fuck me. Can I keep it real? What's that, baby? When you judge, I can't lie, I ain't the same since them niggas stuff me. That shit corrupt me. I'ma get back even if I get like trust me. See that nigga, don't keep back in the club popping up on bubbly. Look your nigga in the eye and tell him I said he can't fuck with me. If I take him out, see you ain't never be stop me.
Traditions are a funny thing. They're wildly tailgated, boring, wear full remains. And if you watch that in Jersey, and just like in football, traditions was fine just at Tostitos. They got mustard the traditional way. They started with pure bone first. No artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. Crafted for that perfect crunch. Tostitos. Tradition matters. Official chicken dip sponsor of the NFL.
From State Farm. I'm winning.
I wish we could drink water out of.
Keep winning. Create an affordable price just for you by bundling your home and auto with the State Farm Personal Price Plan. It's like your own personal paradise. Ooh, you got your coconut water.
What if I
Just another way to say it, personal price plan. Like a good neighbor.
for 10 minutes, and then when it turns to water, I can drink it.
It's like she's the only one who got some feelings. All she do but don't be get the time to learn. Fuck her on the steps and turn her back around. Smoke one, two, smoke three, smoke four, smoke five, smoke six, smoke 7, 8, smoke 9, smoke 10.
Hey, oh, these girls ain't got nothing. Say, baby, I had to mention that if you were the star to be the one I'm searching for. All the girls say they got attention, but I just always feel like they're missing something. You got obvious, you're pretty. Heard that you're a student working weekends in the city. Trying to take you out, girl, hope you're not too busy. If there's nothing wrong, got this little song for you to get ready to. Put those fucking heels on and work it, girl. Let that mirror show you what you're doing. Put that fucking dress on and work it, kinda pictures like somebody's taking pictures. Shut it down, down, down. You shut it down, down, down. You be the baddest girl around, round, round. If they notice you would shut it down, down, down. You shut it down, down, down. You be the baddest girl around, round, round. If they notice you would shut it. Hey, these girls ain't got nothing on me. Got nothing on me. You're the greatest, and everything, girl, he's out his mind. You're the finest, and everything, that boy don't off his mind. Hey, hey, every time you come around, sit down like computers. Hey, hey, step into my podcast, but you that you want, what you feel, I can feel you're everything. Just wanna hear what they had, you know you win. And together we shut it down, down, down. You shut it down, down, down. These legs feel round, round, round. They know, they know, they shut it down, down, down. We shut it down, down, down. I'm round, the table is yellow. She's a healthy concrete glue. You shut that down, down. Ice cream conversations, they all want to school. You shut it down. Shooting stars all around her. Fire, comets. I could bring her through and shut them down. Onyx. No, you're not imagining. They're looking at you long stairs. Even though she's standing out, she look like she belongs here. You feel the hours pass until you find something. I feel like when she moves, the time doesn't. Yeah. Baby, you finer than your fine cousin. And your cousin fine, but she ain't got my heart beating double time. You just shut it down, girl. Who told the cops where the party was? Why do I feel like I found the one? What's in these shots that you ordered us? Damn. I mean, you sure know how to paint a town. Ever since you came around, it's all of you. You shut that thing down. You shut it down. You shut it down. Let it go. You shut it down. Let it go. You say no, yes, boy, knows. You looking good, girl. Go, go, go,
Get 'em, girl.
go, 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 get it, girl. Go, 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 go. You looking good, girl. Go, 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 get it, girl. Go, 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 get it, girl. Go, 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 go. You shut it down. The way I'm feeling, things I say, all just happen. When you pass my way, oh, what can I do to make you stay? I know it's getting later. You tell me you're just not the type. Wanna do this right. I'm not trying to say I don't believe you, but I refuse to feel ashamed. If you want to. Okay, I won't deny. Half the time you send a text, yep, you know I'm not replying. Just to let you know I'm not one of them niggas you be dodging. I'm the one that you dodge with. I'm the one that you gon' take that stress you're saving out the closet. I'm the one you need alone. I'm the one that when you got your friends that you gotta put on speakerphone just so you can let them know what PD on. Like you the one.
Yeah, I know I'm young, but you respect me like a father figure. Young mobbish nigga, probably making father figures. Shine down, period, out of character, period, going. Well, I wouldn't say it, but I gotta paraphrase. And even when you tripping, me tripping, I paid for you. Or made for you, show me arranged for you. I take that flight alone earlier in the day for you. Just to beat your hair, prepare, and let you know I'm waiting for you. Finally, thank you. I ain't like the mother niggas on the bench. And I ain't about to play no games with you. You know what your problem is. You don't ever see pledges. I want you to take me serious. Oh, baby. I want you to take me serious. Wait for you. I'll be wait for you. You got a young boss nigga lady baby for you. You got that bomb ass pussy out straight for you. Who you love? Tell me who you fucking love. Tell me who you wanna fucking love. I left that sexy dress out on the bed with a dope there, laying for you. With the rest of square waiter with dinner and waiter for you. I'm the nigga. Tell me I'm that nigga. I'm the nigga. That's your nigga. Even when you got a nigga that you make love with. But right before take drugs with. Get right after hit the tub. Wait on me for studs. Then get back down. That's so funky like it's 9-9. Wine fine like a bottle from the 9-9. Hit you with the 99 like it's fucking prime time. Good pussy, had to hit that shit like 9 times. Girl, even when I'm gone, just know I'm there for you. I'm all ears, in other words, here for you. I'll probably rob a fucking bank and go to jail for you. As long as I can smack that ass and pull that hair for you. Finally famous. I ain't like the mother niggas on the bench. And I ain't about to play no games with you. You know what your problem is. You don't ever see the big picture. I want you to take me serious. Oh, baby. I want you to take me serious. Oh, yeah. I've been waiting all night, that's all night, though. Girl, don't keep me waiting. Yeah. That's the thing I wanna do to you, baby. Oh, I ain't like the mother niggas and I ain't about to play no games. You know what your problem is. You don't ever see bitches. I want you to take me serious. Oh, baby. I want you to take me serious.
We're the Hartford, with decades of experience insuring millions of unique small businesses. When it comes to your small business insurance, that's not at all. Quote or find an agent today at hartford.com/small business.
Sound familiar? At Mattress Firm, we understand there are many problems that can keep you up at night, like snoring, aches and pains, or sleeping hot. Our sleep experts have the unrivaled know-how to match you the sleep system that can help. And now, upgrade to a Tempur-Pedic mattress and get a $300 instant gift, plus $200 off a Tempur Ergo Smart Base. For the great sleep you deserve, visit Mattress Firm. We make sleep easy. Restrictions apply. See store or website for details.
Because the ground is dirty.
That's the name. Can't
Girl, sweet Cindy.
worry about nobody else. Until with myself, you make me complete. You're all that matters to me. Yeah. Was a king man without a queen. There ain't no waiting. You make me complete. You're all that matters to me. Yeah. You're all that matters to me. Yeah. You're all that matters to me. Do you remember the late night in December took you to dinner? Yeah. Left in the lamb chop. No hold back to the pain in my dreadlocks. Pull up in your driveway. 5428. Just go Perry Lane. Told me this to go my ways. Night was 10:15. Remember what we did? Took a shower, play some music, rushing down, just on some cool shit. Southwest think I'm not good movie, but we don't watch it, put on your booty. I remember the first time we sang up all night. I remember you did everything I said you. Never being up the bedroom. I remember.
Well done.
We just get just I can feel your heartbeat. Remember the way you stretch your legs. I remember the first time we sang up all night. I remember you did everything I said you. Never be enough to bear from. I remember. Red hot dollar in mother. Red hot dollar in mother. Oh! Rich gang, about to baby. Got like 4 ounces of tonight. Ain't on at it. Did a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle. Can't shit from the bottom to the top of my lifestyle. Can this on again? On top of the motherfucking on thousand again. If I want a piece of cotton. On the best of the like a fucking tides. Niggas serving fucking watch like I'm feeding shop. I want to there with the bitch, she can't even give me hot. I'm wrong with the pussy. Even though I ain't gon' hit it, I'ma still make sure that she pussy. It's like, man, my mom ain't gon' get caught up like that, no way. We ain't got time to go see her. Hey, hey, what's that? My daughter's in on my set, bitch. I'm gonna rip the band up, take her a car, bitch. I got a mother, bitch. She got a mother, bitch. I got sisters and brothers to feed. They ain't going out like a weed, you know. Did a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle. Came straight from the bottom to the top of my lifestyle. Can this on again? On top of the motherfucking on thousand niggas still scanning. This stream for the other side. Niggas fucking niggas. That's money that ain't one boy. That's money that ain't one boy. Ain't gonna be letting the my niggas say, no, niggas couldn't see me if they had a genie. I'm in my life like Benny. I work my brother Benny. I stay on way to the city. Now these niggas can dig. I tell my way go watch the now these bitches can't see me. I'm in a whole nother league. I ain't got AIDS, but I qualify on bleach. Till I D.I.E. Put that X up, I feel like I can F.L.I.E. P on top of these bitches. God told me they can never stop me, so they ain't gon' stop me. I'm bleeding red like the devil. I see these bitches flashy. They wanna know I got him and I didn't finish bloody. Did a Get a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle. Came straight from the bottom to the top, my lifestyle. This on again. Top of the motherfucking, I'm tired and still can. I do it for my dad, I do it for my mama. Them long nights, I swear to God, I do it for the cover. I'm really be beating my shit in the jungle. Yeah. Money on money, I got commas and money. Sunday through Monday, I been grinding with no speed. Talking about taking something from me like no please. Put in my brother. You don't want no trouble. You can't get these fish knuckle, buckle up like a seatbelt or I shoot your punch. You know the gas too fast, and I lose shot in your bed, and I do her on head. Medusa, I swear a nigga gone, cause it's strong on muscle up. Hey, running for you there, I'm scared. Like that nigga look fat. Hey, yo, till I two big. Hey, yo, nigga, till I two-face. Get a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle. Came straight from the bottom to the top, my lifestyle. So swagged out, girl. This on again. Top of the motherfucking out and still. You understand? Yeah, Nick. You're in the middle of this ocean. Pacific that is. You understand me? Fucking bad bitch, you heard? Popping that GTD, you heard? Living that lifestyle. Yeah, I do this for Miss Gladys, boy. 100.
What can I say except you're welcome for the tides, the sun, in the sky. Hey, it's okay, it's okay, you're welcome. I'm just an ordinary.
All my snacks is gone. To hear all your favorite songs. From Moana, Frozen, The Lion King, The Little Mermaid, Encanto, and so much more. Listen on Pandora.
Fires about the little. Look at that, yo. Oh.
Every Nissan Frontier is battle tested. Its frame is twisted. Its door slammed 13,920 times. And its bed rough tested over and over. We do all that to the V6 powered Frontier, so you never have to hold back. Nissan, ranked #1 in new vehicle quality among mainstream brands by J.D. Power. For J.D. Power 2025 U.S. Initial Quality Study Award information, visit jdpower.com/awards. Awards based on 2025 model year. Newer models may be shown.
No money, I'm money keep piling. This shit keep piling. New bag, brand new deposit. Brand new deposit. Fuck jerk, I don't need no stylist. I don't need no stylist. Go to club, ain't talking about side. No, ain't talking about side. Ain't on nobody. Percocets on the side of my thigh. I thought I'm taking them rises, but I told myself I need to stop. Wanna take 5 minutes on the island. Going over to see you smile. When I go, we'll see Highland. But I never thought about going Highland. My baby, my baby, my baby. My copy on the Mercedes. Johnny, the bitch crazy. Johnny, the bitch crazy. We even had thoughts on the baby. We even had thoughts on the baby. Before they say it. So now be playing. Why tell me some shit you know it's a lie? Why say you fuck with me with it on the side? So many times I lose so fly. I was up all alone. I was crying. I'm like a Jordan. She got me so high. I feel so strong with my flights to the sky. They think about too much. I hope I'm a bag. I bet no need me. We gotta survive. The bag on bag. I got it. For me, you say it's in me. Up the body. That's all I know you do is gossip. But that's the only reason I'm for nobody. The niggas I run with, they wild. I pray to God I don't have to step on nobody. I know that they watching. The streets forever. I'm locked in. I'm ready to be violent. This shit keep fighting. New bag, brand new deposit. Brand new deposit. Fuck jerk, I don't need no stylist. I don't need no stylist. Go to club, ain't talking about side. No, ain't talking about side. I ain't on nobody.
Ever since I decided my body, I thought I'm taking a ride, shit. But I told myself I need to stop. Wanna take my bitch on an island, Lord, I wanna see you smiling. Wanna give her what she hollering, but I never thought about going island, no. Just want you smiling. Feel one way, say no, this feeling you on the ride. Let's run some money together and leave out the moment. This is why I check what the fuck is we gon' do with a while. It's crazy, I see $1 million. I dropped out of school and I ain't go to college. Bitch, give me money, then I'm college. She fuck the whole team for on the roster. Oh, girl, she got bad. She right to my dick and I got too much mileage. We be thinking to put you up with a bus and I swear I'm surrounded by shots. I really got too many problems. I go through a line, that's why I just need me a ride. Tell the truth, do you really love me? Do you really fuck with me? Tell the truth, do you really love me? Do you really fuck with me? Tell the truth, do you really love me? Do you really fuck with me? Wanna show you what you never seen. This how the cops from me feel. No money keep piling. This shit keep piling. New bag, brand new deposit. Brand new deposit. Fuck your phone, need no stylist. I don't need no stylist. Little plug, I ain't talking about style. No, I ain't talking about style. I ain't on no mileage. Ever since I decided my body, I thought I was taking a ride, sis. But I told myself I need to stop. Wanna take my bitch on an island, Lord, I wanna see you smile. Wanna give her what she hollering, but I never thought about going island, no.
You just a dope addict and I'm very kid. Look, I know I'm heavy, but I'm ready for you. It's been a while on my side, it's just Thursday. Somebody around, catch a body, girl, I'm heading. Ooh, somebody try to touch my cheek if you don't work on. 425 inside the Glocky, let it burn. That man seems like you just rock with me like, like Kawasaki, you can buy like a bike and you come from. Like how your Perkins always compliment your Hermes sandals. Ass fat, little women, I'm text if you want to. Say my name, make you yell it out on purpose. Tap my name when you spell it out in cursor. Something to me that you can have it on a curtain. You she got crazy when like Britney wasn't working. Heard about your rat and try to hold on, got me serious. I guess me liking it too bad, it's 40 turn shit. I already mean it when I said I love you so. Turn to an demon when you left me in the cold. And ain't no nothing, I was stupid, I was fucking now. So I got myself. When you left, you lost a part of me. Who put chrome heart on your sleeve? You know that's on me. You were supposed to be my favorite. No chase so many stuff in your car. Closet front and I replaced all your stuff. New holes in my face, trying to get in my bed. I'm just saying, bitch. You were supposed to be my favorite. I'm just saying it's your beauty. Sorry, even though you're sweatpants say juicy and it's jiggly. Never said it, but I like you better. Make it icy necklace. She like, what you doing? Come through. Got off the engine, parked the Bentley. You know I like fashion. Always putting you first, should've put you second. Though, guess I never learned my fucking lesson. Still smell your perfume in my face. Guess I woke up on the wrong side. Trying to figure out where the hell I went wrong, guy. You never ever disrespect, I put you cross-eyed. I'm from the Bronx, I got a person on my eye for it. I got a Glocky in my pants and you can die for it. Yeah, I'm a dog and got a roof. I'm in a whip, and if I tell a nigga shit, then he gon' slide for it. Going crazy, I really need you back in my life, baby. When you left, you lost a part of me. Who put one heart on your sleeve? You know that's on me. You were supposed to be my favorite. You chase when it's up in your car. Closet for him, replace all your stuff. New holes in my face, trying to get in my bed. I'm just saying, bitch, you were supposed to be my favorite.
Okay, you're back. Okay, you're back.